Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make this bookmark. So see, how is it looking? See, okay, so let's start. First, we will need a pencil, a scissor and a square paper. So, with the square paper, we will make a triangle. See, this triangle. Okay, so now we have to open it and at the other side we have to make one more triangle. When you make it, don't open it, just take this part at the back. See this, just take it over the back, and when the paper ends you have to press it. Okay, see, like this. Okay, so now just do do it like a postcard. So can you see, we just have to put these pieces like this. I've done the second one also. Okay, so let's see the next step. The next step that we have to open this and put it over here, yeah, so that it will look like a square diamond shape. Okay, so second piece also we have to do the same. See, it's ready, but it's not looking like this way. See, so we just have to, can you see this piece open? We just put it right now, and then you can see this space in this paper. So you just have to take this paper in front, means don't take in front, but just you have to put these two pieces of paper inside this. See, like this. Don't take a new paper for it. We just have to put the attached paper in, which is attached to this. Okay. So second piece also we have to do the same. See, now it's looking like a bookmark, but just it is not looking like this because it has not been decorated. See, okay, so let's decorate it. For the eyes, you will have to make two circles like this. Okay, and inside that big circle you have to make a small circle and color it. See, now it's looking like fox, but his nose is left. So how to make a nose? We just have to do like this. And see, I will do it like this so that you can see it. Okay, you see, can you see this? But still it's not complete because this nose is not colored. So let's color the nose. Okay, okay, it's done. Can you see? See? This one and this one. See? They both are looking. And if you made two and you don't want to get them lost, so just you can put this inside this because it has space. See, it will not fall also. Okay, bye.